How to apply for jobs on VirtualStaff.ph. Once you've found a job that suits your skills, follow these steps to submit your application. Step 1. Open the job listing. Click on the job title to view full details. Review the job description, employer expectations, and required qualifications to ensure a good fit. Step 2. Prepare your application. Update your virtual staff profile to showcase your expertise and past work experience. Step 3. Submit your application. Click the Apply button on the job listing page. Provide your experience details, record a video introduction, and showcase why you're the perfect fit for the role. Double-check your application for accuracy before submission and click on the Apply button. Step 4. Track your application status. Navigate to the Job Applications section to monitor the status of your applications. If an employer is interested, they may contact you for an interview. By following these steps, you can effectively apply for jobs and increase your chances of securing the right opportunity on VirtualStaff.
Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.